Hi there! In today's video, I'll show you how to set up your Xiaomi Smart Band 8 with an Android phone. Let's get started. So, as a first step, you would need to pick the language on your band that you would like to use it in future. And as a second step, you can scan this QR code or just enter on the Google Play Store May Fitness and then download this application. After this, you would need to create an account and also sign in. And this is it how it looks after sign in. Then we would need to move to this tab which is named Device, and here click on this plus which is named Add Device. As a next step, you would need to wait until you'll be able to see the name of your device on this list. I can already see it, so I will click on it. And as a next step, we would need to confirm on our band that we would like to pair it with phone by clicking on this confirmation icon. And this is it. As you can see, the band has been successfully set up, and now we need to do a few more things on our phone. So firstly, you would need to make sure that you have given permission to Mi Fitness to all of these functions, so you can see incoming calls, incoming SMS, and also get swift responses from voice assistant. After this, click done and continue. And here you will get a little beginner guide how to use your band. You can see here the animations, and we can click a few times next and click done. Then you can choose if you would like to turn on the notifications, or you can select only selected notifications that you will get, for example, only on some type of messengers. So I will click set and again. And in a few seconds, your device will be ready to use. Now you can enjoy your Xiaomi Smart Band 8. That was it for today. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you so much for watching.